Hello, hello. I am recording this because it is 3 days after my hip replacement on Tuesday. And just to show you that sometimes we make these things seem terrifying for ourselves. If we put them off, we don't do it. We don't do it. That was definitely me, right? But I was in excruciating pain. And I was totally changing my behavior because of that pain. It wasn't helping itself in spite of all my great eating habits and all that kind of stuff. However, here we are 3 days later. So this happened on Tuesday. I'm filming this on Friday. And are you ready? Oh, I've got my little walker and look at this. Woo! I can anticipate, I can see the future where I'm going to be able to be mobile and pain-free in a way that I wasn't before. So yes, I'm about to enter the ranks of, aside from now being part of the Bionics Club, but to say, oh my God, I should have done it earlier. So this is your sign. What is it that you have been fearing that's causing you so much pain? Pain in the baboomba even. Causing you so much pain. What is it that you've been saying, oh, I'm not ready to deal with it? That I promise you, once you get out there, even if it requires a walker for you to take that first step, I am here as living proof that sometimes the things that we fear actually are keeping in a place far more painful than if we just get out there, take that next step, have confidence that we're up for the challenge and that life is going to be freaking awesome when we move out of our own way. So, whoa, 3 days, baby. Soon, I'm going to be walking without this baby, I can tell. But until then, there's nothing failure about using the equipment that is available to you to get where you want to go. So just blow through that fear, take that next step and do it anyway. All right. I will give you another update soon. Bye.